Hey all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you a brief, and I know I'm going to end the video in next 2 minutes. So yeah, let's get started then. So I'm going to teach you the lazy loading of an Angular. So it's very important topic, guys. So I recommend you to just watch the video till the end, so you'll get exact thing what I'm going to explain you. So here I'm going to create something called one module here. So you know the how to create a module, right? So it's very cool. So ngGM and a module name. So I'm going to say like mod 1, and I'm going to create the route for that module that called mod 1 and module. That's it. So I'll be able to create a module like this. The same way I'm going to create the different module called m2 mod 2 with the same mod 2. So so in my app.component.ts I'm going to create a routes that's called a mod 1 and a mod 2. That's it. So this is two lazy modules. You may say like how you created lazy module. It's very cool, right? So it's this is how to create the module. So I've created the route for this, and I've created app modules for that. So if you create here, if you expand the mod here, so you'll be able to see like this something. So you have something called a routing.module and a module.ts. So in a module.ts, you're going to call the routing.module and you're going to get the common module to into it. So it's gonna be very cool. And at the same time, in a routing.module.ts, you're gonna be call the path. So you're gonna create a route and you're going to add to the for child and you're going to call it as a path. So this is how you're going to call a routing module. So this routing module gonna be imported by the mod1.module.ts. That's a .module.ts. So here the same happens here, .module.ts. But the main difference between your actual module and routing module is like when you're importing the things. So this is my actual module. So I just created ngGC and ngGenerate component, and I created a component. But it is not like that. I not created the component here. I've created the module here. So the module is gonna be added like this, a mod and a module. Let's get the changes how it's working. So if you see here, if I open network tab, if I load it again, so everything got loaded, right? Polyfill, style, and vendor and everything. So let me delete this. Let me check how it will get loaded. So demo, this got loaded everything, every pack and all, right? You're able to see, right? Click on employee, only module. This one got loaded. This is got loaded. Now let me clear it again. I have not refreshed anything, so let me click again. So here it is changing, but it is not impacting on a load. But see, here it is changing, it's not impacting on the load, but it's not unlike it won't happen in a common component. It will give a load of a load on your network. So this is actually gonna impact on your loading time of your application. So when you're creating small kind of application just for the POC purpose, you need not to care about this. It's your all think your target is to complete something in time. So in that case it's okay. But what about the bigger application? You're going to create something, cool application, big application. So in that case, how are you going to create? So it's going to be a headache, right? You cannot you cannot apply everything to open and load images on time itself. It's not possible. Even if it's possible, it's time taking. But if you take care of the lazy module things in an application in a proper way, I think it's gonna be very cool. So that's what I always believe whenever I create an application. I was a very very I was not good in these things. So when I was in a college, my mindset would be like I need to complete something, and it should be a messy or a glassy effects or something. I don't know. So I just wanted to. It's like you are my mentor. I want to impress you. It's not slogging. I want to impress you by my application or by my work, and I'm going to create without thinking all these things. But now we got matured. We will not do like that. So we'll ask for the time and we'll say, okay, this is how it should be, because I can impress you by creating something, but I cannot impress clients. All the clients are different. So if you may love Windows, I love Ubuntu. So you have your own reason, I have my own reason. So clients will come up with the reasons. It's not that possible, right? You cannot satisfy all the clients, but yes, you can satisfy with the average of your clients. Okay, most of the people are loving Windows and I'm the only one who is loving Ubuntu. Then doesn't matter, don't care about me, because there are majority of people who are learning, who are loving you, Windows, and it's enough, I think. So it will not happen in a case of an application. So it should be there in a because any application will go under the load testing. So that those time, I think it will impact. So I just said 2 minutes, but it's got, I did, explain the concept in a 2 minutes, I hope. I'm not sure, I didn't count the time, but yes, this is what I was just wanted to share with you. Yeah, this is all about today's video. That's about lazy loading. I'm gonna upload in the next 5 minutes. So I get it in 1:38, right? So you'll get it in about 2 o'clock something. So for sure, I said 5 minutes again, I'm saying 2 o'clock, so I'm getting into buffer time always. So anything might happen. So my laptop might get crashed, and my power might not work, or my Wi-Fi might not work. So I cannot, uh, you know, commit any time. So this is how it happens when you get into maturity level. So that's cool, guys. Lazy, and this is a cool concept of an Angular. So I'll definitely implement this. I'm definitely going to create that application which we thought about in a lazy load manner itself. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you, thank you for watching my video, and keep it part of my YouTube channel. Thank you.